All right, if you are an acro lover, this one is for you. This is one of my favorite like contemporary floor tricks, and it is gonna be so much fun. This is Miley, and she's gonna be helping me out today. So Miley's gonna go ahead and go down. Sitting on her bum, she's gonna twist over her left to stick her left leg up in the air. You can do either one, but for today, we're gonna do our left. From here, she's gonna take her left toes to the side as she draws her left hand up and over. From here, you're gonna notice that she's gonna stick it under her opposite hand as she drops her hips down to the floor and snakes down into this beautiful mermaid position. Miley, let's stand up and do that one more time. So, key thing that I want you to pay attention to. When you go into this back arch position, you really want to draw that arm up and over and through. Yes, if you don't complete that full circle, you're going to get a little bit twisted, yes, and a little bit crazy. So you want to keep that going full circle. Now with your chest, you want to be careful that you don't just like smack your chest into the ground, but instead you use your opposite hand to lower yourself down, really get your chest on the floor, and then those legs come down. Let's show it one more time. So we sit, she comes around, sticks that leg up, curves through, chest to snake. So beautiful, you guys. The more that you do this, the better at it you're gonna be and the more fluid it's gonna be. It tends to get a little bit choppy as you're practicing, but that's okay. Do it as many times as you possibly need and it will become smooth.